Hi everybody, today I will tell how to convert Excel sheet into KML file. KML stands for Keyhole Markup Language file. With the help of KML file, you can easily identify the location of the project on Google Earth Pro. Before that conversion, you have to keep some points in your mind that the Excel sheet that you want to convert into KML file must contain coordinates. These coordinates you have obtained from GPS device, or you may have obtained from AutoCAD drawing. Okay, but the Google Earth Pro support the Excel sheet with coordinates in latitude and longitude format. So whatever coordinates you have in your Excel sheet, you must have to convert these coordinates into latitude and longitude format, and then thereafter save it as CSV comma delimited sheet, and after that we will import this Excel sheet into Google Earth Pro. Moving towards Excel sheet, I have an Excel sheet of right bank canal project. In short, what I will call it as RBC. The coordinates are in easting and northing format. There are total number of 68 points marked on this Excel sheet. Okay, the coordinates are in easting and northing format. Here also given elevation, code, serial number. You have nothing to do with these. For the meanwhile, I am just telling about the conversion of easting and northing into latitude and longitude. Okay, I have another sheet for you, uploaded in the comment section also, and with the help of this sheet, the easting and northing can easily be converted into latitude and longitude. However, you have to keep some points in your mind. For various areas there are UTM zones, and for Pakistan this zone is 42. In the zone section you have to write 42. So the easting and northing are converted accordingly into latitude and longitude. Now I will copy a few of the coordinates from uh, this RBC sheet. I will copy it and then paste it. Okay, remember that I've not taken all the coordinates, I've just taken 20 of it. Okay, now these easting and northings have been converted into latitude and longitude format. Now copy these Excel sheet, these coordinates into another Excel sheet, separate Excel sheet, which must only contain latitude and longitude, and that Excel sheet we will further import into Google Earth profile. Okay, now I am pasting this. It is showing error. Okay, uh, to tackle this error, first copy paste these coordinates into a Microsoft Word format. Copy it again and then paste it in a separate Excel sheet. Okay, now the latitude and now the coordinates are converted into latitude and longitude format. um, Now what you have to do is to save it as comma delimited sheet. Okay, it is already written as a comma delimited sheet. Okay, you have to save this Excel sheet before importing it into Google Earth Pro with the name CSV comma delimited. Okay, I have saved this on desktop. Now the file is already there, is filed. Overwrite it. I have saved this file on desktop. Okay, and this file is located here. Okay, now open Google Earth Pro, import this CSV file with the name RBC. Okay, here you have to observe some points. First of all, it is already by default it is delimited. You have to make it delimited. Here it is comma. Okay, the UTF is 8, For Pakistan it is UTF-8. It may be different for various areas, so by default it is UTF-8. Don't change it. Next, again next, and finish. Okay, here you can see there are three things: string, integer, and floating point. String is for the text. If there is written as text, any text, like in first Excel sheet there was written canal, or it may be something else. The integer is for serial number, and the floating point is for latitude and longitude. Okay, it is by default floating. For both there is floating, so don't change it. Finish. Now now if you want to change the template of the coordinates, you can change it. Yes, I want to change just color of this template. Mark is red. Okay, you can also name, give it name, icon, height. It's all depends on you. Okay, now I have now save it as, on desktop I have saved it as .kst file. It is by default kst file. Okay, save it as I have already a kst file. Now I have saved it. The coordinates are now marked on Google Earth Pro. Uh, as I have told that it is a right bank canal, but from the coordinates you can it is not justified that it is a canal, because I have just taken a few points. If you I have taken just 20 coordinates. Okay, and there were 68 coordinates. I have just taken 20 of it. That's the reason that the canal is not in a proper shape. If I have taken all the points, then it may be in a straight line like this. Okay, so the main point is that I just want to clear the important points, that how to convert Excel sheet into KML file. Okay, now the coordinates are marked on Google Earth Pro. You can save it as KML file or KMZ file. I am saving it as KML file. Save it. Now the file is saved as KML file on desktop. You can see it. This is the file. Now this file you can easily transfer with the help of Google, with the help of Gmail, Yahoo Mail, or any media. Now the Excel sheet is converted into KML file. And you all understand this lecture works, and you all understand the lecture from this video. For future videos, just subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.